Nothing is there. Alright, let's go. Let's take Chanel's. Oh, baju. Magkuha ka ni kang isa. Magkado ka og coins. Lapit durog kuan. Datad pajong. Oh, ijang pajong. Asa ang pajong? Asa man ipajong ni Isra? Ijang pajong dito. Tingnan natin ko. Ay, kainit. Good job. You were like a ninja. What is your name, ninja? What is your ninja name? Your ninja name is Ezrang.
Yeah.
Ezrang. Isn't it hot? Huh? Yes. We're going home straight.
We are gonna buy something.
Let's go buy. Let's go buy food. No. You wear your umbrella.
What are we using then? Motor or auto?
We're using our feet. We're just walking home. You open your umbrella so you will not get hot. Lagi. Why did you remove your mask already? It's hot?
Yeah. I am sweating.
You are sweating. Let's go.
Always strong.
Oh yeah? Your teeth are always strong? Are you sure?
Yeah, because I am always brushing my teeth every day.
Is your
Daddy,
teeth
Daddy, what is that?
Gusto naman ng istorya ni
in the
English yan. Ha?
Daddy, what did you call that in the G?
That's the doorknob. That's how you open the door.
With pulling?
Yes, by pulling.
How?
But that's broken as you cannot pull it na. It's already pulled out. Let's go.
And I want to see a jeep. What your came from? I think a jeep came from to the jungle.
So as you were saying, your teeth is very strong.
To remove the nail that was not removed. And my
Do you
teeth-
think your teeth is strong that it can bite an apple?
Yeah.
Yeah. How about a banana? Can your teeth bite a banana?
Yeah, but just in the inside.
Just in the inside. How about rice? Can you bite rice?
Yeah, because rice is not hard. The rice is hard rice that makes
Okay, how about this one? If your teeth is very strong, can it bite Luna's poop?
No!
I know your teeth is not strong.
No, poop is always yucky.
I thought you said your teeth are strong. Your teeth are not always strong, di ay?